Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining us again. So we're looking at this video at the moment, which is a helicopter in slow motion. Just underneath the helicopter there is going to be a UFO near miss, moving very, very quickly. This clip was originally posted on YouTube in July of 2018. We will of course post the link below so you can go and have a look at the original clip for yourself and make your own judgments. The person recording this video was actually trying to record a slow motion video of the helicopter to get the rotary blades in slow motion, and they have accidentally caught whatever this is in that video and found it afterwards. Because it's a slow motion video, we get a very interesting perspective on the speed of this object and compared to the slowed down speed of the rotary blades on the helicopter, which would obviously be moving a lot quicker. Whatever this object is, flies very close to this helicopter. Now if it had happened to hit it, we could be looking at something very, very different here. So here we've actually zoomed in on the footage and slowed it down even further, just so it's even clearer, this object flying across the screen from left to right. Objects like the one we've just seen in this video with the helicopter are generally known within the UFO field as fast movers. The term fast movers refers to unidentified objects which are accidentally caught on camera. Now normally these won't be found until people get home and re-watch footage, perhaps they'll slow it down for some reason, and then they appear. As it stands at the moment, we have no reports of any sound that seems to come with these objects. Again, on a very general basis, they tend to be white or silver spheres, which move quickly, normally from left to right or right to left in a linear motion. Reports of these objects are becoming more common now, I think, because we have this increased use of technology now. So everybody's got a camera phone or a camcorder, or drones are becoming much more common now. And not only that, but everything that we have got is so much more powerful. So cameras on everything work better. Everything's much more powerful to be able to see these things. Everybody's recording things in slow motion now for their Instagram or for their YouTube channels. So they're becoming much, much easier to spot. As of yet, there is no conclusive evidence or terrestrial explanation for what these objects are. What we're looking at here is a video which was captured by a news agency in Denver, USA, which was covering a report from the public about these fast moving objects. Now this news agency actually went and did their own report in the same place from the public and captured these fast movers themselves. Of course the link is below for this, so head on over and have a look yourselves. So this final clip that we've got for you today is one that was recorded on a drone. The original clip for this one appeared on YouTube in July 2018. Now, the object in this one is moving ridiculously fast. Generally speaking, on these drones, you're looking at a recording rate of 40 to 60 frames per second. And this object only appears in about 5 frames, if that. This is a section from the original clip, and if you look closely on the left hand side of the screen, just above the tree line on the horizon, the object appears to come in from there and move across the tree line, across the fields, almost towards the camera. Again, what we've done here is we've zoomed in on the footage and slowed it right down, which should hopefully make this a little bit easier to see. Now, these fast movers are a relatively new thing that's been brought to my personal attention quite recently, and I'm absolutely fascinated. I just can't get my head around what they could be at all. So any information that anyone can send me, you know, any reading or any videos or anything like that, which will help me understand it more and expand my knowledge, I would really, really appreciate it. Sightings of these fast movers are on the rise, and hopefully we will continue to see a rise in that. So don't forget to go through any old footage you've got, or if you are recording something, maybe slow it down and just see. You never know, you might have caught something. If you have, and it's something that you want us to look into or our opinion on it, all our details will follow shortly. And hopefully, the more of these videos that we can get to the surface, the better chance we've got of determining whether these objects are terrestrial or extraterrestrial. As always, guys, thank you for joining us. If you would like to contact us at all, you can contact us via our email, our Instagram, or our Twitter pages. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the channel. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss our videos. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.